So I am in the process of painting my tub. You probably could already see I decided to go with pink and gold. So I am using, well, actually I'm using the Universal Rust-Oleum H metallic. So I'm using this as the base, that which I've already done right on all four. Then I'm going to come back with metallic brass, and so this is what I will finish off the four legs with. And then for the actual tub itself, I'm using Krylon Color Max, so it's a paint and a primer. I'm using Ballet Pink Slipper. I feel as though this pink is not, you know, harsh, and I think with the pink and gold will look really nice. I'm stopping right here is because I'm waiting for the legs to dry and then for me to do a coat of the metallic, and then I will paint the underside. So that will be tomorrow, but for right now I figure I can paint around all of the sides and four edges. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the next can and have at it. I think I have like 15 more minutes on for that one to dry. So I have this whole entire side to finish up. So here we go. So I just spray paint this leg right here. Is it just me or did it make it super dark? I mean, it's hard to tell in this lighting, but I mean, I'm not in love. So I'm gonna let it dry. I'm not gonna do anything. And let it dry. Although I do like the antique look of this, so I should have probably used these on my bed. And luckily I still have some of the Universal, so if I don't really like it, I could just always go back in with another. Let me see if I could show you from the other side. So this is how the legs will look right here, right with the pink. So I think that's gonna look absolutely amazing once I get the bottom painted. But I'm gonna finish up doing the four legs today. Like I said, let them dry completely, tape them off tomorrow, and then finish the bottom side of this tub, and then that will be done, at least with the bottom side of the tub. Okay, while I'm letting this dry, I'm gonna move on to the next project. So I'm gonna clean up my mess here. I don't need my drill or anything like that anymore. I will need this last can of pink, so I will leave that in here. I'm gonna take the metallic with me because I don't like how the metallic is coming out on the way the legs look. Just need to find the top to the metallic, and then I'm just going to finish off with the H metallic paint. Oh, here it goes. So I try to do a pretty good job of like cleaning up after myself at the job. Oh, by the way, I use this thing right here to clean up around here. There was a lot of rust around the table. I mean tub. Why do I keep on calling it a table? Tub. And it's a crypt wire. Yeah. But anyways, it's for metal. So that's what I end up using. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna go across the way. It has been havoc. Oh, these crepe myrtles, you cut them down, look at them, they're all growing back. So yeah, crepe myrtles do not play. They're like, okay, yeah, you can cut us down, but we're gonna come back in full force ×2. That's absolutely ridiculous. Oh yeah. Let me show you guys something else. Speaking of bugs, so I had issues with carpenter bees, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but all those holes in this thing was made by carpenter bees. There were several of them on there. I guess they flew away, but oh my gosh, there were so many carpenter bees on this. And then all those holes, those are not like holes that, you know, the carpenter made. It's the carpenter bees that made these. That's absolutely ridiculous. So they've been destroying this bench. Look, you can see one trying to go into a hole right now. I just thought that would be very interesting. Carpenter bee. Some of them are dead because I did let a, oh, there it goes. You see it went into the hole. And what they do is they burrow into holes and then they put their larvae and then they put pollen and stuff like that into the hole so that their babies, when they hatch, they have food to eat. Either way, they destroy the hell out of your property. So we don't want that. So I finished up the tub today. So it's still drying right now. But I think with the pink and the gold, it looks beautiful. Now onto the next project, which is covering the floors. So after all of my hard work, my contractor went and put all of this building material into the tub. So I ended up having to clean it and then refinishing the inside. I think it looks nice. It will do for right now, but it really needs to be done professionally. So this is the bathroom and this is the tub. Now, this is not the, I mean, I like it, but I want to have a professional come in and redo this, because if you see, the color is uneven, and when the contractor put all this stuff in there, he did a lot of damage to the tub. So I think it's just better that I pay a professional to come in. But I love it. It's pretty. The finish wear looks amazing, but it needs to be done right. Hey, Nosy.